Bro's genuinely playing with the devil.
Bro is the devil. Swear you.
I'll probably
Bro
die
is-
because like it's a shorter.
Oh my God!
Like, it has like the height of a Robloxian.
Its name is Radio Guy.
Huh? Wait, I'm not
It
dying.
has the
I'm not
height
dead.
of
Wait,
a-
I'm still being.
No, why are we alive and why are we not alive and why are we
I'm so
Huh?
confused. Am I dead or not?
Right?
I think it's the voice.
Ah!
Okay,
I'm alive.
we're dying
Yes?
and we're not dying at the same time. I think you should go get apples.
Yeah. He's stuck
No,
onto us.
I'm
He's
not
stuck onto
risking
us.
that.
Go.
Still here.
Yeah, it
I'm
like
not doing
killed
that.
us. It like quote unquote killed us twice and then didn't. So I think you should, and it's just stuck with us. So I think you should just
Get
get
apples.
I need proof.
I'm
you
gonna
want me to share
shoot
my
you.
fucking
You want
screen?
me to get
Yes.
out of here and then bring him to you? Maybe that's enough proof.
No.
Then go out. Get your dead apples.
Just go, boy!
You have no problem dancing around. Go get those fucking apples.
Wait, can you guys spectate me?
I can't.
No, you can't.
Cause
We're
we're not
alive.
dead.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
Go.
scared. No, cause he did the same thing to me. He like walked into me for like a while and then
He
like,
doesn't go
he
outside. This guy likes me.
Did you get the?
What the? Did his guy?
Wait,
Just
you
like
know
what
it
happened
was-
to Chichi.
Did his head get bigger?
Left. That's the
Wait,
Hard
you're
guy.
alive? Wait, are you alive or are you not? Because for me, you guys are
that's the hard
alive.
guy, Juno.
It says I'm
Oh,
alive.
I'm alive.
Okay. Should I share my screen?
No, don't.
Yeah.
Wait, Juno died.
Cause I see someone's butt.
Oh, jeez.
What the?
I'm out of the map.
I'm in here.